Salutations, everyone. My name is Raymond Maturino, and I am a doctoral student at Bradman University. Today, I have the privilege to share a story about my daughter, Raven. Let me start with saying, as all parents, we want what's best for our children, and we want to support them in all their endeavors. Well, today, the story is about a young lady. She's 15 years old. She has been a 4-H member for 5 years. And within those 5 years, she has come a long way. But she still suffers from low self-esteem and confidence. Unfortunately, within the 4-H program, which has wonderful children, which has great opportunities, which teaches them how to tend animals, gives them great values. But within Kings County, a lot of these children within the 4-H program experience low self-esteem and confidence. And I have the opportunity to share this story because my vision of them and the vision of the 4-H program is to create tomorrow's leaders, veterinarians, agricultural sciences, technology. They have so much wonderful capabilities, so much opportunities to learn something new and be productive citizens of our society. So I wanted to share a story about Raven. Raven has a passion for animals, and she would do anything to make sure that they are secure, they're safe, and they're healthy. She's wonderful. It's wonderful to witness her, interact with animals. As all 4-H children throughout the nation, but specifically within Kings County, watching these kids interact, take care of these animals puts you at awe. Makes every parent proud. But when they do public speaking or when they do presentations or interviews, for some reason, they can't shake their nerves. They shut down. They become timid, just like Raven. So I get the opportunity to help transform the 4-H program by creating a personal growth and development training module that will help them in public speaking, in presentations and interviews, and gives them the opportunities to strengthen their self-esteem and confidence through practicing, through creating opportunities for Raven and for other children so they can practice the craft, develop, and use that in any social setting. Be confident in their communication. 4-H, head, heart, hands, health, values. The community and parental support is needed. We want that support. We want them to engage in their children. We want them to be able to provide the encouragement that children deserve. So children like Raven, my daughter, can focus on her craft, strengthening her skills, creating confidence and self-esteem that mirrors the hard work and knowledge that they already obtained or continue to obtain in this program. So my vision for their future is to one day see Raven and the other beautiful children within the 4-H program achieve their goals. These are tomorrow's doctors, tomorrow's veterinarians, tomorrow's teachers, tomorrow's professors. But that vision starts today. The work to that goal starts today. So I am excited, I am encouraged, and I am passionate about the opportunity to transform Kings County's 4-H program by creating a personal growth and development training module that will help all 4-H children, including my daughter Raven. We, as parents, we owe it to our children so that their dreams are not only something to think about or wonder about, but their dreams are something they actually see themselves within as they create their vision and finish strong, learn something new, and practice habits and values that will give them the opportunities to fulfill their dreams. I'm very happy, very proud, and looking forward to keep supporting Raven and other 4-H children transform and develop their self-esteem and their confidence through training, through public speaking, and through interviews, and through presentations. Thank you for the opportunity to communicate. It's time to help our children. And my opportunity, I'm looking forward to it. 4-H program, Kings County, California. Let's do it for our kids. Thank you. Bye-bye.